C series of jaw crushers, with superior cavity design and large feed size. By using the design of symmetrical V cavity, large tilt angle of the toggle plates and large stroke, we get larger feed particle sizes, higher output, more uniform particle size, as well as lower wear of the jaw plates than the traditional PE series of jaw crushers. The heavy-duty swing jaw assembly is durable. The heavy-duty swing jaw assembly adopts forged heavy eccentric shaft and high-quality heavy-duty rolling bearings to ensure high impact resistance and high stability of the swing jaw assembly. The labyrinth seals and centralized lubrication system ensure that the bearing grease is not polluted, and the lubrication is more convenient and the operation duration is longer. A heavy protection plate is installed above the swing jaw to avoid material impact and effectively protect the swing jaw body and its internal bearings from damages. Integral bearing housing. The structure of entire cast steel bearing housing ensures complete coordination with the frame, making the bearing operation more smoothly and avoiding the combined bearing housing to cause unnecessary radial load on the bearings during the fastening process. Convenient and quick adjustment of discharge port. C-series jaw crusher adopts mechanical or hydraulic method to adjust the discharge port, and its adjustment method by double wedges is simpler, safer, faster, and is to save downtime compared with the adjustment method by spacers. Integrated motor installation. The integrated installation of the motor base and the crusher frame not only saves the installation space of the jaw crusher, but also realizes the adjustment of the tension of the triangle belt due to the synchronous movement of the frame, motor base, and motors, and the adjustable motor base, so that the longer service life of the triangle belts can be achieved. The components of the crusher. The structure of jaw crusher is mainly composed of the frame, eccentric shaft, large belt pulley, flywheel, swing jaw, cheek plate, toggle plate back seat, gap adjusting screw, reset springs, fixed jaw plate and swing jaw plates, etc., in which toggle plates also play an insurance role. Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.